So all in all, it's a great cage. You can see the chicken, he really likes it. It came with the rope. We bought these on Amazon also. The branches, the latch is really good. It's like, what I like is also you can twist this, which makes it tight, so now it can't get hit. You have to loosen it. This way is really a long latch for daily use, and then this one locks it open. It's a pretty good size. The problem I have with the back is that, and these here also, you can tighten these so that they can't open on accident, like in the car. You can unscrew them, open it, and you can see that these screws are too long, which cause the ball to sit up. And even if you get the ball to sit down, by pushing down, then you can't get the ball out. So that has a tendency to want to spill. But, and then there's a little seatbelt thing which doesn't really work well because our seatbelt is not long enough in a full-size pickup to reach all the way around. There's a perch up top. He doesn't like it. But this is very much like the cage he has at home, but the cage at home is like 3 times his size. But it's really easy to clean. All of this comes out, the plastic tray comes out, even the metal tray comes out, which is good to clean in the sink. But all in all, this is a great purchase.
Pensé que iba a perder mi dinero, pero ellos me ayudaron a recuperar.
Telemundo 48 responde, ha ayudado a miles de personas en el área de la bahía y queremos ayudarte a ti también. Fue muy rápido cuando